Mhlambe uma ngathatha leli thuba egameni lendlungulu yebhola iFootball Association kubonga nje lo msebenzi wakaBuild It lewendekile lamhla la ebuhleni lapho khona champions kube iSwallows it was just fireworks kusukela nje icala kulabo labaphumile kuma groups uze uyofika kuma semi-finals so kube mnanzi kakhulu mhlawumbe umuntu angaphinza thatha lethuba bonke kakhulu batali ekuthenini bakhulule bantwana nekubethembisa ke batali ukuthi ibhola seyentela okusemandleni nayo ukuthi bantwana baphephe hayi bantwana kuphela bonke abantu especially naba lesibabita ngema disadvantaged groups labafaka ekhathi women lapho khona sine program yaka safeguarding nayiphela nje ibhola lapha labanye abantwana bese bakhala emotional ubona ukuthi akubambeli kahle sigabeni sekuthi abakakhona ukuthi bathole ama results lamahle but ngeke usibo coach sesibafundzisile ukuthi bantwana bangabayekeleli nje they should give comfort encourage them it's not a win by all cost program but I program lapho khona football is just a school of life mhlawumbe umuntu angasho thina sisuka la sitawuchubekela kuletinye titolo nitawukhumbula ukuthi eminyakeni noma evikini eliphelile bese kumathapha so nasisuka la sitawubheka kubo speak sibheke kubombabane sibheke enhlangano kutathi ke kungaphela lonke lolijikelo delota Build It bese sesiya khona ukuthi sibe nema national championships lataba khona either emavuso noma kasomhlobo lapho khona onke ke lama pick teams lakhethiwe lapho bekunabo Build It khona tawushayana bese sekuphuma champion manye lapho khona nabo coach be national team batawukhona ukuthi bakhethe badlali kungaba kubonga nje kakhulu sibonge isupport lesinikwa ngiBuild It this has become a national event lapho khona na uthi nje Build It bonke bantwana bayati ukuthi ngiyona tournament lena lenesasasa kakhulu chairman wakahowe ukuthi ikhotha leyikhothako lengayikhothi yayikhahlela kungaba kucela nje ukuthi sithi support edolota kaBuild It tisecitsisa kavelonke siyabonga kakhulu.